I am proud to present to you 40 candidates for graduation, in which 27 of whom are boys, and 17 of whom are girls. We have satisfactorily completed and fulfilled the minimum requirements for
school in the Philippines. It should be impossible for you to pursue your secondary education. I am now turning you over to your parents. Congratulations and Godspeed. You can now transfer your tassel. Okay, so by the way, the meaning of transferring the tassel to the right side, that means nakalabang na kamo sa inyo journey. Sa elementary education. So be ready for secondary education. Ready na kamo? Lutaso na kamo diri. Sa baboy pa, pamuhian na. Ibaligyan na. Okay, once again, congratulations, graduates.
Congratulations, graduates. A good teacher is like a rising sun that comes to fill the empty and dark minds with the light of the education. This time, let's proceed the distribution of certificate of the graduates. May I request?
Marco Prince Cedric Distora. Masalo Joshua Muradas. Demoral Ray Vincent Lesky. There, Nathaniel Delgado. Descartin J.R. Villamin. Disukatan Francisco Junior Obama.